This blender comes with a 1000 watt motor. It also features up to 25 speed settings. At under $70, it seems to be a great deal, but performance matters, so let's check it out. Hi everyone, I'm Tina and welcome back to our Shouldit Blender Series. Today we're unboxing the SHEANLAH Immersion blender. Really hoping it doesn't disappoint. First, we got the user manual. Nothing fancy, just the information you need to get started. Next is the stainless steel blending stick. It seems long enough to reach the bottom of the dip post. At the bottom, we have the blade with 4 prongs. It's sharp and seems strong enough for daily use. And around it is the guard designed to keep food in place. I like that it's plastic as it won't damage your cookware. And here's the motor. It's 1000 watt, also made of stainless steel. The finish looks clean and durable, not cheap or flimsy at all. The motor gives you 25 speed options. That makes sure you can blend everything from smoothies to puree to baby food. You choose the speed by turning the dial on the top. And on the front, we have 2 buttons. This one allows the blender to run at the speed you select, and the bottom one is turbo. Press it and you get maximum power in a second. I will turn the blender on to see how easy it is to control these buttons. But first, we need to connect the stick to the motors. It's very simple. Push the 2 parts together and that's it. Okay, let's give it a try. As for the cord, it's long enough and the blade has 2 prongs. Overall, the controls are smooth, clear, and beginner-friendly. They are right where your fingers go, so it doesn't take any effort. Just turn and press. The first impression is nice, but can it handle real ingredients? Let's try some fresh fruits. The blender got to work right away. I didn't have to press hard or adjust anything. It went through everything fast and the noise wasn't too much. I also didn't see any mess around the cup, which is always a good sign. And the texture came out nice, smooth, creamy, and ready to drink. No chunks left at all. For the price, I think it did a really good job. And that's the SHEANLAH Immersion blender unboxed. We test it out soon, so don't forget to subscribe for the full review. Thanks for watching Shouldit and see you next time. Bye!